Okay, this is my Gundam store and more platinum member whatever package. Just came in the mail, so I'm gonna open it up and see what I got. Okay. Alright, so these are the 3 bases that I bought, some Gundam bases. Action base 1. We also picked up a blue frame and a red Frame Astray, so that wasn't a part of the order. Let's see what I got in terms of everything else. This is the V-Gundam. I ordered it with the 75 credit that you get. Here's my Justice 1 in 100. That'd be cool to get something different color. I don't really have a model that isn't like blue or white or black or red. That'd be cool to get something that would stand out from the rest of my stuff. And it looked pretty cool. Probably be fun to put together. Let's see. Oh, I guess this is my random master grade. Not that excited about it. I was hoping for either the perfect Gundam or something else. But it'll be fun, I guess. The random high grade head simulation. Okay. And a couple of the other ones that I got with this, the 75 credit. Some super deformed. I wasn't really excited about it. I was just trying to fill in the money that I needed. I actually like the Strike super deformed. It looks pretty cool. This one, they actually ran out of the Zaku that I wanted, and I asked them to get me an Eagle instead. But I guess this is fine too. Here is the blue Frame Astray that my cousin got. Looks pretty cool. I love the tactical arms. Use that. Excuse me. And here's my red frame. I'll put those aside. And here's the last thing I got with the 75 credit, the Launcher Strike Gundam. And I guess this is the $25 club pack. Leave this aside. Oh, it's hard to open this with one hand. Okay, let's see what's in here. I have no idea what this is. Looks like a ship of some sort. Got the ball thingy that everybody seems to have been getting. The ball launcher thingy. Got some more super deformed stuff. Not really a big fan of the super deformed. Wasn't hoping to get too much of it. Oh, and I got a Zaku. Cool. Got a catalog, gunplay. Pack of trading cards. Magnet. Gun storage more. Pen. And some candy. Kind of disappointed. I thought I would get a Gundam model marker, but I didn't. Seems to be it. Guess I'll have some fun putting everything together, and yeah, that's it. Alright.